Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to use Pholox slider by Ultimate Post Kit. The slider presents a professional post interface with a wide featured post and thumb posts below. The featured post comes with an interlaying content box over the background image and a video play button in the middle. All thumbs have play buttons showing over the image too. Your visitors can enjoy the aimed video by clicking the play button as well as go to the next slider by clicking on the thumb posts. Each time the video is playing, it takes the total space above the thumb posts for a better visual experience. Let's take a look at the second slider template designs for food blogs. The slider provides lots of customizations to match the color profile of the whole slider easily. Also, there are lots of animations like text animations, background animations, and hover effects are equipped with the slider for boosting user experience on your blogging site. Now that you have seen the templates made with Pholox slider, let's see the backend operations. Let's start dragging the slider into our page. After inserting the widget, you'll see the default slider appearance that resembles our demo pretty much. As you can see, the featured post has content on the left and an image on the right. You can switch their position by selecting the content position to the right from the layout option. Then change the text alignment of the content. There are some switchers and fields. You can use them to show or hide certain elements from the slider. Next, go to the query section. From here, you can change the item limit for the slider. Also, the include/exclude fields are for displaying specific posts through category, tag, author, and names. Let's see that for the include mode, you can select terms in the include by field and type in a category name and select it. Now the slider will only show posts related to the selected category. Now go to the slider settings section. Here you can change the animation options for the slider such as autoplay, loop, and animation speed. Then let's go to the style tab and see how we can change the slider appearance from there. From the first section, let's add a border radius to the items. You can see items, play, button, title, category, and meta subsections here. Now for items, set a similar border radius for it. Then let's go to the play button and change the background color of it. A white icon color would look good here. Then change the hover background color to black to make it look perfect. Next, for the title, let's change the title color. Then hover color. And lastly, change the font using the typography option. After that, for category, let's change the background color to red. Then change the category text to white. The box seems a little tight, so let's add padding to it. Then crop the edges of the category box using border radius. We can change the font size using typography. Then let's add a hover color for the button background, just the same as the play button. That looks nice. Now go for the meta subcategory item. Let's not change anything here. Then go to the thumb section. Here you can also see item, image, play button, title, and category subsections. For items, set border radius to 5, just the same as previous. Then let's change the line color and the line height using the scroll bar below. Next, for the image, set the border radius to 5 again. Then for play button, change the icon to red and the background color to white. Just reverse the color order for the hover mode. After that, we can customize the title hover color and active color by painting them red and then changing their font family through typography option. Let's check that out. Lastly, for category, let's change the hover color and then font size using typography. Well done. Now just relax and enjoy the slideshow. That's all for Pholox slider. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. See you next time.